Welcome, Dwayne Richards, Dwayne Richards CPA. This video is for Canadians and it is to show you key areas in your CRA My Account and what to look for, where to find updates, where to find your status, mail, because now CRA is maybe not sending you actual physical mail now, so where to actually see your mail and other key documents in your CRA account. So just give me a second and we'll jump in and have a look at your, or actually my um, account with CRA. Okay, so I have already logged in and hopefully I'm not going to show any confidential information. So this is what the main screen looks like when you get in. Over here on the right-hand side, there's tax info slips. Again, there's another video I've done that shows you kind of how that works. I'll tag that video. There's also down here, there's the uncashed checks. I've done a previous video on, so if you want to see the details of how that works, down here also you can, sometimes clients are asking, how do I make a payment? You can actually click here to make a payment. Down, now what we're looking at here is like, again, if I go into tax returns, again, this is where you can actually get your notice of assessments. Obviously, we're doing 2025. It's not filed yet, obviously. But I could click here and get my notice of assessment for 2024. And here on the left-hand side at a correspondence, if I click on the mail, and this is where, so again, I just got this document this week, and it's the summary of my installments that I made during the year. Notice of assessment, the Ontario benefits, notice of assessments. So this is where, again, under mail, you can click here and you can download a PDF if you need a PDF, possibly for your mortgage broker. Again, over here, under these, there's benefits and credits. So again, if you're getting HST credits, Trillium benefits, childcare benefits, the GST, the old carbon, and the Ontario Trillium. And if you're eligible for the disability tax credit, it's all here, friends. Again, I can click here under savings and pensions to look up what my TFSA room is and my RRSP room. Super important. Your employer and your banks are not tracking your contribution. It's up to you to figure out what your lifetime contributions are. So you simply scroll down and you can see here's the amounts of your RSP room, your first home savings account, or not first home, but the home buyer's plan and your TFSA room are all here. Now, just remember those balances are as of January 1st. So if you've made contributions already in the year, those contributions are not included in those amounts. So it's always good to keep a running tab, Google Doc or a spreadsheet, if you're kind of regularly active with both RSPs and TFSAs. And now also there is the first home, the FHSA as well. So that's it. If you have questions, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below. Happy to reply to them. And if you like more of this content, the best way is to like and subscribe so you'll get updated on new videos coming out this tax season. Thanks for watching.